These are nice. These are very nice.
I don't know how you could get faster.
The most enthusiast level experience yet in a mass-produced gaming keyboard.
The Razer Purple optical switches. They're that good.
So they have laser beams inside of them.
These optical switches are the best gaming-centric switches on any keyboard right now,
I love the new switches.
and this new upgrade just makes them even better.
I was completely surprised at how fantastic they felt.
When you're gaming, oh my god, that is gonna make a big difference.
Overall, in my opinion, the Huntsman Mini is the best Razer keyboard that they've produced yet.
They've really listened to community feedback over the years.
Razer is really the only company who are reaching out to reviewers and media and community.
Razer has really put forth a real contender for your money for a 60% keyboard.
The Razer Huntsman Mini is a solid recommendation.